I'm nervous as well. Ooh, bathrooms are the thing that like, I get so grossed out. So, okay. Woof, woof. Oh, I can't look. That is nasty. Nasty. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Boma. On this channel we talk about all things entrepreneurship, finance, and my life as a business owner. I am a huge fan of Patricia Bright. I'm also a really huge fan of her The Break channel, and in today's video, got my laptop here. I'll be reacting to her video titled Visit My 250,000 Investment Property in London, Shocking Before Renovation. It promises to be good. I know Patricia mentioned a few weeks ago or a few months ago at this point that she bought a property by auction that she hadn't seen before. So I'm curious if this is the property she's talking about. Let's get into it. But before we get started, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's do it.
God. Oh God. What the f is this? We would have never been able to get a mortgage on this.
Hello. We are here visiting the house we bought in 10 minutes on auction in person.
To be fair, I'm expecting it to be a complete wreck, which is fine, by the way, because that's why it was so cheap. Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, let's go in.
I'm whispering because I don't want the neighbours to know that I'm a YouTuber, basically. But come in.
That's so funny. Why wouldn't Patricia want the neighbors to know she's a YouTuber? I mean, she's one of the most successful women in finance and beauty on YouTube. What's going on, Patricia? Maybe she just wanted people to respect her privacy, but I'm so intrigued by that.
The lobby or the communal space is way bigger than I thought it would be. It's really wide, high ceilings, which is quite typical of this area.
Why are you whispering?
Because I don't know the neighbour. I don't want to be like, hey, I'm a YouTuber.
Mike is like, why are you whispering? That's what I'm saying. Like, why is she whispering? Also, why am I whispering right now?
Oh, we live upstairs. All right, let's go. Quite a lot of stuff happening here, but we do know that the leaseholder's doing work. Okay, what key is it? I'm gonna assume this key. Okay.
We all know the key struggle. You move into a new apartment, you're wondering what key is it, you're fighting out there at the door. Patricia, this is relatable content, girl.
I'm gonna assume this key.
The way she had to fight with the door, like, that door is sticky. I love it. But you can just tell the fact that, you know, the hallway looks a mess, the door looks a mess, the stairs. You can just tell that this property has good bones and there's a lot that can be revamped. I love it.
Oh God. Oh God.
Okay. Let's go in.
There's a falling banister.
There's a great banister. Oh. Smells real old. These are cute though.
It looks pretty old as well, so I can't even imagine how it smells.
This is like your own little like entrance into your apartment. Okay, let's go in. Oh my gosh, okay. Ooh. Panic.
Those stairs look pretty janky.
Okay.
Oof, look at those floors.
Okay.
Initial thoughts? Is it different to what you expected?
She's speechless. That's like those memes, what you ordered versus what you got. I mean, I know they probably knew what they were getting online because it had pictures of the listing and everything, but Patricia's shook.
Smellier. Definitely smellier.
You can always get rid of the
These are
smell.
fresh windows. These are new windows. These are new double glazed windows. I think they just did the outside of the house. Oh, look at these windowsills. These need work.
I love the windows. The windows are amazing. I love when a place just has a lot of light and just freshness to it. Windows are important, and they scored with these windows.
Now look at the kitchen. The kitchen.
What is that?
We can't even call it a kitchen. It's not a kitchen. It's not a kitchen.
The ghetto. Woo!
But I know,
She can't even look at it. She's like, nope.
I see the vision for what can be done here, and it can look phenomenal.
I see the vision. Patricia's like hands on head. Yep, I see the vision too though. It's like I said, this place has got some good bones.
Oh God. Oh God. What the f is this? What the f is this? We would have never been able to get a mortgage on this.
I think what Patricia's referring to is the fact that she's mentioned before that she pays for a lot of her properties in cash. And if you're mortgaging your home through a bank or another financial institution, they will want to do a property inspection. And a property in that state probably will not be mortgage friendly at all. A lot of financial advisors and financial gurus advise you to not pay for homes in cash completely, just because that opportunity cost of your money and the fact that maybe your cash could be better spent in other sort of investment vehicles. But to each their own. But I definitely see what she means. I don't think that home would have been able to be mortgaged. So let's continue watching.
I think it's quite easy. Knock down, take out, replaster, new floors, new lintels. Knock this motherfucker out. What the fuck is this? I love the windows, and we won't need to replace these windows. We need to replace the window at the stairs.
Yes, Patricia's like, I've got a vision. I see it. And I'm definitely with her. Open concept is the way to go.
But these are absolutely fine. These are in good nick. Recently done. They've even got their advertising. Picton glass. Yeah, no, good. This person was clearly an animal lover. Let's see what year this
What is the blue thing? What's the blue thing on the wall? Ugh.
is from. Oh. Mold. Bit damp.
Ooh!
Bit damp. Bit damp. Got to get up to the roof.
Water damage. Oh no. Oh no.
There. This is the living room, and then this is the kitchen here. So we're gonna make this one really big, like open plan space, make it super nice, super modern. If anything, it's a little bit too big. It's actually an ensuite toilet and bathroom. I'm not gonna open the door. I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared. I get scared by shit like this, so I'm gonna leave this to Michael.
Literally.
I'm nervous as well. Ooh, bathrooms are the thing that I get so grossed out. So, okay.
I'm really nervous. I can't do it.
Go on, put it over in.
How is it?
Nice. Doesn't need any work.
Oh God!
That is nasty. Nasty.
Go and have a little bath in there.
Oh my God. Now, you know I'm squeamish. I have trypophobia. I hate dots and textures. There's a lot of dots and a lot of textures in there.
What are you scared
Oh
of?
my God, I hate everything.
Michael, she's scared of the nastiness, of course.
God, oh my God, the toilet is
Let's have a quick look in here.
Babe, you do it. I cannot physically go in there.
Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Oh God.
There's a sink. Nice.
Oh, I can't look.
Wallpaper's a
I
little
can't
bit-
look. I
a little
cannot
bit-
look.
A little.
Ooh! I
That's
can't
from the
look.
kitchen.
I cannot look at this room.
I have a fridge that I'm gonna burn with fire before I ever open it up.
Why is there a TripAdvisor tag on the fridge? So random.
Hey, to open that fridge.
Never. Couldn't
Go on, open that fridge.
I'm squeamish. I'm squeamish.
I'll give you a tenner.
I was going to be experiencing. Other than it's like the reality of it is hitting home.
Renovation costs, can we do it in under 20k?
I think this is definitely 20k.
That amount sounds really little. For people in the UK, tell me if you think that's reasonable, because I would guess it would cost a lot more than that to renovate, especially because the bathroom and the kitchen needs quite a bit of work. So tell me your thoughts about that.
In my head, I'm thinking of obviously getting rid of this. I don't know what this is. I want to bring a door to the bathroom out here, or so that the bathroom and the toilet you don't have to access through the bedroom. I'm planning on probably making this area a little bit smaller because it's massive, and maybe create a new partition wall and knocking out these walls because none of these are load bearing. Gonna make a really nice open plan kitchen, which I think should be across this wall. So the kitchen faces in with a little bit of like an island situation. It'll be so cute, oh my gosh. Okay, so that is it. This is the property that I bought in 10 minutes on auction. We're in zone 3, right by the station, and I paid 220,000 for it. I know it looks like a wreck right now, but I think within 3 to 4 months we could transform this into something really, really gorgeous. And I think our goal is probably to rent, because we want to have passive income. It's gonna be beautiful when we're done with it. You just need to have vision.
I also love that Patricia has obviously a vision and strategy. That property has really good bones, like I said, and I think with a bit of love, it can be really, really transformed into something beautiful that can be reassessed for a much higher value. So super awesome.
And I know some people are like, you spent £220,000 on like a studio house or a studio apartment or a loft or whatever. But this is kind of what you get if you are in London, which is one of the most expensive cities in the world. And in reality, it kind of reaps dividends. This is the end of the tour. If you want to see the rest of this journey, leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are.
I definitely hear her on that. I live in British Columbia, Canada. It is super expensive here, and $220,000 is pretty good value for that property. Hope you enjoyed that video. Patricia, please keep us updated. I'd love to see an updated house tour, complete with renovation costs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.